Page 7, traffic jam. This is just a little etude thingy where they're asking you to identify the articulation stuff. Well, first let's get the notes here. It's 4/4 time. In the right hand you have, what's the numbers? It's 2 and 3 on the D and an E together. Lovely. Third measure, you got to come up here to this on the A, and you get, because there's no sharps or flats except for the accidentals, so it's here to here. Left hand, it's a G sharp B here to start, and then you have a G flat B flat, 4/2 there. That's what and then they're saying fourth finger. That's okay, just move. There's trickiness going on here, so watch out. You're here. I assume that's supposed to sound like horns. It's a traffic jam. And then the second measure. And as you're playing these notes in the left hand, get your right hand up there. You got to rest. You got to get it up here, ready to go. So that way, when you're done with that, all you got to do is think about getting the left hand up. Your right hand's already in place. So you're doing that early. Here, watch this, because these are not together. See, I'm at the top here already, but I got another note to go. So you're not playing. See it? They're not quite the same. Be careful on that. Then we have the articulation. The staccatos. Our wrist staccato is fine. And then the accents for the left hand, claps the wrist on these, just a little extra oomph. And then this is, you're sort of loud here, sort of loud, moderately loud. Then you're going to crescendo up to a loud. And then here, now when you get very loud on staccatos, the wrist doesn't really work anymore. Because when you get loud, you need to use bigger muscles, more weight. So now you're using the arm. You're pivoting at the elbow, and you're using the whole arm is coming down, but claps the wrist each time. Don't play with a stiff wrist. So you don't have to come way up, just using the whole arm here. And the last note is a tenuto. It's got a line over it, so hang on to that. Just a little longer. There. See, the idea is you're very loud there. I mean, it's like we're mad now. Says allegro for the speed. I don't know. You just have to decide what allegro is. That's the overall flow of the piece is fast. So it's here. Moderately loud. Something? Does that sound like a traffic jam? I don't know. It's up to you on the speed, but just make it even. No hesitations anywhere. Eighth notes are fine. Let's play it together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythm. So I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready and go, and.